Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Analysis Hub. I'm really glad you're here again. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at an exciting and futuristic concept in the world of touring motorcycles and compact RV travel, the 2027 Honda Goldwing Camper Trike. I'll be sharing my personal thoughts and analysis about this unique camper trike, including its design, comfort, technology, performance, and expected pricing. This overview is based on research, industry trends, and comparisons with similar touring and camper-style vehicles currently on the market. So let's dive in and explore what makes this camper trike such an interesting concept for travel enthusiasts. The 2027 Honda Goldwing Camper Trike stands out immediately because of its bold and futuristic appearance. Honda has always been known for producing premium touring motorcycles, and the Goldwing lineup has long been considered one of the most comfortable and technologically advanced bikes for long-distance travel. With this camper trike concept, the idea goes a step further by combining the comfort of a touring motorcycle with the practicality of a compact camping vehicle. From the outside, the trike has a strong, wide stance thanks to its three-wheel configuration. The two rear wheels provide better balance and stability compared to traditional motorcycles, which makes long rides much more comfortable and safer for many riders. The front end keeps the classic Goldwing design language with sleek LED headlights, an aerodynamic windshield, and smooth body panels that help reduce wind resistance while riding at highway speeds. Moving toward the rear of the vehicle is where things get really interesting. Instead of a traditional trunk or cargo box, the camper trike features an extended rear module designed to function as a small mobile camping unit. This camper section looks compact from the outside, but it's cleverly designed to maximize space and functionality. The body lines flow smoothly from the motorcycle section into the camper unit, making the entire vehicle look like one seamless design rather than two separate parts. The paint finish on the concept models appears premium, often shown in metallic tones like deep silver, matte black, or dark blue. Chrome accents around the exhaust, wheels, and trim pieces add a luxury feel that matches the Goldwing's reputation as a high-end touring machine. When we talk about the interior and living space of the camper section, this is where the 2027 Camper Trike really begins to show its innovation. While the space is obviously smaller than a traditional RV, Honda's design approach focuses on smart space utilization. The rear camper pod can be opened up when the vehicle is parked, revealing a compact but practical camping setup. Inside the camper unit, there is a foldable sleeping area designed for one or two people depending on configuration. The seating can convert into a small bed, which makes it perfect for overnight road trips or short camping adventures. Soft padding and lightweight cushions are used to keep the sleeping area comfortable without adding too much weight to the vehicle. Storage compartments are placed under the seating and along the sides of the camper unit. These spaces can be used to store camping gear, clothes, cooking equipment, or travel essentials. There is also space for small portable appliances such as a mini cooler or compact electric stove. Some concept versions also suggest the inclusion of small LED interior lights, USB charging ports, and even a tiny fold-out table that can be used for meals or laptop work while camping. These small details make the camper trike feel more like a micro-travel home rather than just a motorcycle with a trailer attached. The cockpit area for the rider remains true to the Goldwing's touring heritage. The seating position is upright and comfortable, designed for long-distance travel. The seat is wide and well padded, and both the rider and passenger get armrests and back support in some configurations. Heated seats and heated grips are also expected, which are common features in premium touring motorcycles. In terms of technology, the dashboard is expected to feature a large digital display system similar to modern touring bikes. This screen would provide navigation, riding data, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration. Riders could easily connect their phones for music, calls, or navigation during long journeys. Another key part of the technology package would likely include advanced rider assist features. These could include traction control, cruise control, electronic suspension adjustment, and multiple riding modes. Since the camper module adds extra weight, these systems would help maintain stability and smooth performance under different road conditions. Now let's talk about performance, because despite being a camper trike, this vehicle still carries the DNA of the legendary Goldwing touring motorcycle. The 2027 model is expected to use a refined version of Honda's powerful flat-six engine, which has been a signature feature of the Goldwing lineup for years. This engine is known for its smooth power delivery, quiet operation, and strong torque, making it perfect for long highway rides. Even with the additional weight of the camper module, the engine should still provide plenty of power for comfortable cruising. The trike configuration also improves road stability. Having two wheels at the rear helps distribute weight more evenly and reduces the chances of tipping when carrying camping equipment or passengers. For riders who may not feel confident handling a heavy touring motorcycle on two wheels, the three-wheel setup offers a more stable and beginner-friendly alternative. Fuel efficiency is also expected to remain fairly reasonable for a vehicle in this category. Honda typically designs its engines to balance power with efficiency, so long-distance travel should still be practical without constant fuel stops. Suspension will likely be tuned specifically for touring comfort. Long travel suspension systems help absorb road bumps and vibrations, which is important when traveling for hours on highways or rural roads. The rear suspension in particular will need to support the camper module while still maintaining a smooth ride. Braking performance is another area where Honda usually excels. The camper trike would likely include advanced braking systems such as ABS and linked brakes to ensure safe stopping even when the vehicle is fully loaded. When it comes to pricing, since this type of camper trike is still considered a premium and somewhat niche vehicle, it would probably sit in the higher price range. Based on current touring trike and Goldwing models, the estimated price could fall somewhere between $45,000 and $70,000 depending on features, trim level, and customization options. While this may seem expensive, buyers in this category are typically looking for a unique travel experience rather than just basic transportation. The ability to ride a premium touring motorcycle and also have a compact camping setup attached is something that appeals strongly to adventure riders and road trip enthusiasts. In many ways, the 2027 Honda Goldwing Camper Trike represents a blend of motorcycle freedom and RV-style travel convenience. It's designed for people who love exploring the open road but don't necessarily want to tow a large trailer or drive a full-sized motorhome. Overall, this camper trike concept is a fascinating look at how future touring vehicles could evolve. It combines comfort, advanced technology, and clever space design into a compact travel machine that stands out from anything currently on the market. If Honda ever decides to move forward with a production version of this concept, it could open up a completely new category of micro-camper touring vehicles for riders who want both mobility and overnight travel capability in one package. And that wraps up my analysis of the 2027 Honda Goldwing Camper Trike. It's definitely one of the most interesting camper-style motorcycle concepts we've seen recently, and it shows how creative vehicle design can expand the possibilities of road travel. Thanks for watching Auto Analysis Hub. If you enjoy discovering new and futuristic vehicles like this one, make sure to stay tuned for more reviews, analysis, and automotive insights in upcoming videos.